Hey guys, how are you all? In this video I'm going to show you that how can you add an Instagram story with tagging someone, or how can you hide that tag in your phone or from your Instagram story. So this video is quite helpful. You can just do it simply on your iPhone or on your Android mobile phone. We just have to open our Instagram here. Let me just do it. Let it be open first. So this is my Instagram account. You can see I will swipe to the left for posting a story in my mobile phone. I will click into the photo which I'm going to post here. Like this is the photo. I selected this photo. What you have to do now, you just have to click on the second option called double A here to tag someone, like @ISO or any ID you can just tag. Like this is the ID which I want to tag. You can see this text and just move it by fingers and swipe it to the down, and you can see that tag is hidden now, and it also shows that the person is tagged in this video or this photo. So this is the video. Thank you so much.